Hi and welcome back to the Stained Canvas. Today I'm going to walk you guys through how I clean my brushes. So this first brush here is an oil brush, and then we have like one of them cheap little, hog bristle brushes. That's my watercolor brush there, and then that's the pointed one here on the end. This big one is a synthetic brush. This stuff here that I'm going to be showing you works for all types of brushes. So no matter what you paint in, it will work. I don't know if it'll work if you use it in glue, but this stuff is called the Masters Brush Cleaner and Preserver. It's amazing stuff. All you do, okay, this, I'm showing you my really old one. Don't judge, okay? It still works. It still works. All you do is wet your brush and then twirl it around a little bit into the soap. The soap is like a puck. When you get a brand new one, it's filled all the way when you have a brand new one. So it lasts for a very long time too, guys. Like this, I'm using the brush right now is oil paint infused. Okay, I didn't take care of my brush and I got oil paint stuck deep down into the bristles. So what you do is you put the soap on and you let it sit a little bit. This is the synthetic one. I thought it was pretty clean. It was not clean at all. You'll see a lot of the acrylic paint kind of trying to come off into it. It's like a bluish green color. But you just work the bristles around in the palm of your hand. If you don't feel comfortable doing that, use the inside cover of the brush cleaner if that makes you feel more comfortable. My last two brushes here, so that right there in my hand is my watercolor brush, and then that's the little hog hair bristle brush that has a lot of paint stuck on the bristles. I'm just trying to save it. I don't really know why I'm trying to save it because I don't use that brush very often, but for demonstration purposes. And then I'm just, zhuzhing it around in my hand, and I'm working it in to that brush a little extra because it's, there's a bunch of green stuck in that one. And then I'm just going to let it sit for a second and completely redo the process. So rinse the brush off, add more soap, zhuzh it around in the hand or in the cover, whatever you're comfortable with. And you're going to repeat that process all the times it takes for it to come up clean. So, with the oil brush, the very first brush I used, I was showing you I didn't have a lot of bend in it because there was a lot of paint stuck up inside the bristles, like towards the metal part. I think it's called the barrel of a paintbrush. I'm not entirely sure. I can't remember at the moment. But once I've done this like 4 times, I actually get some really good flecks from that paintbrush. So if you have a favorite paintbrush and you're like super sad and you don't want to get rid of it, really try some of this, the Masters Brush Cleaner and Preserver. It's amazing. Look how dirty that water is. Look how blue that water is. But yeah, so I'm just going to show you my clean brushes. So happy I was able to save them. And yeah, I hope you guys try this stuff out because it's pretty freaking amazing, I have to tell you. So that's it for now. Like, subscribe, tell your friends about me, and I will see you guys next time on the Stained Canvas. So bye for now.